In this video, how to integrate apps in Slack. I will show you step by step how to integrate apps in Slack. First, open the Slack app on your phone or computer. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to your workspace main page. Now, click on the workspace name in the top left corner of the screen. In the menu that opens, look for the option called Apps. Click on Apps to open the Slack app directory. You will now see many available integrations. Use the search bar to find the app you want to integrate. Type the app name, for example, Google Drive, Zoom, or Trello. Click on the desired app to open the integration page. Now click the Add to Slack button. Slack may ask for permission to connect the app. Review the permissions requested by the app. Click Allow to continue. Now, follow the specific instructions for the app. Some apps require you to log in to connect your account. Enter the login details for the app you want to integrate. After completing the connection, the app will be added to Slack. You can use app commands inside Slack channels. The app can also send automatic notifications. This helps automate tasks and improve team communication. This is how you can easily integrate apps into Slack.